drones. What I'm doing here is getting the Holy Stone ready to fly, making the final check on the GoPro Hero 3, making sure it is secure. Attached it to the 6 o'clock position on the drone. We'll find the drone around the backyard, keeping it in close, checking it out, see if it's going to be stable. Maneuver around, and then I'll land it, and I'll give it a final check before I fly it out further. But as you can see, the GoPro really takes great video. I really like it. And just landed it to make one additional check before I fly it a little further out. I don't want to lose my camera. And the drone with the extra weight is actually handling pretty good. I've already covered this in other videos, but this is the raw GoPro video. If you've been watching any of my other videos, you can see that I'm limited on music. I want to apologize for that, but it will be something I work on getting new and better music. As you can see, I'm starting to move it out a little bit, but I'm still afraid to get it too far out. I just wasn't satisfied that the motors wouldn't overheat due to the extra weight, and I wasn't sure about that camera staying attached. Yeah, I didn't have any problem with the GoPro staying attached, but I did lose a prop guard out there in the field, and we found it later though. Yeah, I have another drone, a unique Typhoon H with RealSense. I'm upset with Unique though. I've had this drone more than 2 months and I have not been able to get a code to remove the no-fly zone. Here in Sanford where I live, we're in Class C airspace and you gotta have that code. That's why I like my Stone700D though. I don't need a code to fly here. I just follow my flight plan with AirMap or Kitty Hawk, get my authorization and fly. No problems. We have a ceiling in this area of 200 feet. So I'm fine with that. I'm maneuvering the drone back over the landing zone, and when I brought it back down in auto landing, it hit the ground hard and bounced back into the air. I was able to recover and made a normal landing. I'm really not sure what caused that problem, unless it was the extra weight of the camera. When it was coming down, I had full up throttle and it still came down hard. I don't know what happened.
It could be too heavy.
Well, it is. It might have overheated because they said sometimes when you fly with extra weight, cut the push the button. There's a button you gotta push. Hell, anyway, I just wanted to experiment. They said one thing you gotta be, when you add extra weight, it overheats. The motors can overheat. It flew pretty good though overall. But boy, it came down. I don't know why. Come here, babies. Look into the camera. Look into the camera for daddy. Look into the camera for daddy. Yeah, I better cut these cameras off. I got all the cameras still going. Or this one anyway. At the beginning of the video, you see a picture of the Hollystone with a GoPro attached. And at the tail end here, you'll see my Typhoon H with RealSense and some of the other accessories.